Hello, I need some information.
Oh, sure. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Brussels by bus.
Oh, okay. Do you want a single or return ticket?
Just a single ticket.
Oh, it's cost a 1,000 đồng.
That's good. I'll take it.
How would you like to pay?
Cash, please.
Oh, here is your ticket.
Can I have a receipt?
Oh, yes. Here you are.
10. What time is the next bus?
Oh, the next bus leave at 2 p.m.
Which bus stop should I go to?
Bus stop number 9.
Is this near here?
No, that is outside on the right.
Okay. How long does the journey take?
It takes about 6 hours and 15 minutes.
Wow, that's a long trip.
Oh, yes, but it's comfortable.
Chris, thank you so much.
Oh, you are welcome. Have a good trip. Thank you so much.